if you are still rocking that basic fitness band. Why? This is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and here are 5 solid reasons to make the switch. First up, oof, just look at it. That rotating bezel is iconic. It's a classic touch that adds both elegance and usability. It's not just for show, it gives you a new way to interact with the watch. Scroll through apps, check notifications, it's smooth and intuitive. And the AMOLED display? Bright, crisp, and super responsive. This watch is your complete health package, right on your wrist. It can monitor your ECG, body composition, and most importantly, your blood pressure. Anytime, anywhere. Also, the blood pressure monitoring feature is certified by Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. So when you're tracking it, you're using tech that's officially approved. Worried it will die before your day does? Don't be. The battery is solid. You get around 40 hours on a full charge. And even if you're low, a quick 30-minute charge gives you juice for the whole day. Like that unread message from 3 days ago, it will still be going strong. Oh, left your wallet and phone at home? No stress. Tap and pay with the watch, flex like a boss. Walk out like nothing happened. Boom! Modern problems, modern wrists. The screen's protected by the tough sapphire crystal glass, so daily bumps and scratches aren't to worry. And with IP68 dust and water resistance, it's ready for whatever your day throws at it. Style? Check. Toughness? Level check. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic brings you function, style, and health all in one. Time to move on from the old. Your wrist deserves better.